Welcome. In this video we are going to learn SMTP version scanner SMTP auxiliary module in Metasploit. Poorly configured or vulnerable mail server can often provide an initial foothold into a network, but prior to launching an attack, we want to fingerprint the server to make our targeting as precise as possible. The SMTP version module, as its name implies, will scan a range of IP addresses and determine the version of any mail servers it encounters. Let's open up MSF console, load SMTP version module into MSF console, type use auxiliary scanner SMTP version, type info. Here you can see that SMTP version module information, basic options as rhost the target address range or CIDR identifier, rport the target port, threads or number of concurrent threads, and so on. Let's set required module options. Type set rhost 192.168.0.17. Let's execute it. Here you can see that 192.168.0.17 25 SMTP 2220 Metasploit table.local domain SMTP postfix Ubuntu x0d x08. So that's it in this video on SMTP version, which is a scanner SMTP auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.